Yo les gars, it's your girl Aurie and welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do stretching exercises for flexibility and more specifically for you to get your split. If you are ready for it, I would suggest you to do this routine for 7 consecutive days. You will see massive improvements. Of course, if you're not flexible at all, I would suggest you to check the first video. The link is below for you to do first. This routine is one step further for you to get to the point. If you're ready and want more videos, consider to subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and let's go! And we start with pigeon pose. So this one, it doesn't matter if you start left or right, pick your side and stay there. If you can, do as me, try to have your head touching the floor, but it doesn't really matter. What you want here is to feel the stretch on the forward leg. Now take your time, slightly lift up, turn around and lean forward onto the opposite leg. So as you can see, I'm quite flexible, but that's okay. If you are not that flexible, you can either slow down the video so you have your time to go into that position or just pause and come back. All you need is for you to achieve that position for the rest of the time. If your head can't touch the knee, that's also very good. It will come session after session. Now that we did one side, we do the other side. Same thing, we start with pigeon pose. Take your time, reach there, put your head on the floor if you can, and hold for the rest of the time. Same thing here, turn around as much as you can and lean forward onto the opposite leg. Head touching knee if you can. Make sure that your toes is pointing to yourself to enhance the stretch at your hamstring side. So now slowly take your time and you want to bend your knees. So look at myself and lift up your hip. Here we want to loosen that part and we'll do it on both sides. So here you simply have to sit and then lift up as far as you can, squeeze and go down. Squeeze one more time and go down. Of course, we don't do one direction without doing the other. Continue with that. Now that your hips are loosened up, we can go one step further and achieve that position right here. If you can't sit on your foot, that's totally okay. Try to be on your toes. If not, 90 degree will do perfectly fine. Followed up with a lower lunge stretch. So I love this one because actually you can feel the stretch a lot on the behind leg. So try to have that sensation and really push forward with your hip so then you can feel it. Of course, now it's time to turn around and do the opposite leg. Same thing now, lunge, exaggerate the movement so you can feel it properly and you are ready for what's coming. Of course, we are not here for nothing. Now you know what's next. An attempt to do a split. So here you don't have to do the full split unless you really feel like you want to do it. What you want to do here is to go as low as possible, keeping your arms straight. That way you will have a split sensation without being totally on the ground. And if that's the first time that you're doing it, that's a good first attempt. And of course, we don't do one side without doing the other. It's time to do the other direction. Don't be surprised if this direction or the previous one was easier. That's normal. It just means that you need a bit more stretch on that side of your body. Because this routine is meant to get you to that split point, we use cushions to go a little bit further. So you do your split, but this time you want to have your head touching your knee. Go as far as possible here and relax on that cushions. You will see the sensation is a bit more intense, but you want to hold it for the rest of the time. You have 20 seconds left. Now, same, but the other direction. I leave you to it. that's it really. Consider doing this workout for 7 consecutive days. You should see massive results. But for now, congratulations, you did day 1. Subscribe to this channel if you want more, give it a thumbs up, and I see you in another video.